You're on.
Hi, my name is Boris Altman. Today we're going to be doing our second repair test on 724 Double Branches Road. I'm going to be doing a couple repair tests today on a couple different elevations. We've already done one on the right elevation prior. That one failed the repairability. We took before and after photos. So today we're going to do a few of them. So this is going to be the first one. As you can see, and I have photos for before the repair and then after the repair. But as you can see, the only damaged shingle on this slope is this one that is marked right here. We're going to be unsealing this tab all the way through. This is the end of the shingle, so this is the tab. You got a hammer? I just want to show you guys in the video before I start on the damaged shingle that's already damaged, which is this one. The nailing strip is right here. So in order to access the nailing strip, I'm gonna have to lift the hammer about this high in order to access that nail. So just to keep that in mind. With that said, I'm gonna go ahead and start unsealing the tabs. Take the crowbar. Now that I've got the shingle pulled out, let's look at the condition of the shingles right now. We already have damage here, 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 and here. This is a simulated repair, so we're gonna take the damaged shingle that's right here and just slide it back into place. As if I'm putting a new one back in. If I can get the hammer. Again, installing the shingle back in. One. Now that the repair has been completed, can I see the chocolate one more time? So we have additional damage here, 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 and here, causing 5 more tabs to be damaged during this repair, making it a fail. If you want to pass me the camera. You can see that was the original damaged shingle, causing more there.